Today we're taking out the Archer and Olive December quarterly subscription box. Now this was $75 and then shipping was $18 and then taxes were another $10. So it was whatever the opposite of cheap is. Oh, I don't even need a scissors. There was another box on top of this, so then this box wouldn't get ruined. This is a very tall box. I don't even know if I can fit it inside of here. So the rest of the box, just so you know, is this dark purple, and there was nothing like written on the inside. That's it. It's still very, very pretty on the inside. So I'm gonna just take everything out because this box is so deep. I won't be able to film or show anything inside of there. Okay. There we go. That's much better. All right, so let's try to go back to a normal size. There we go. Okay, so we're just gonna look at these one by one. So over here, we have a sticky notepad. So, sticky notepad. So this is, oh, it's black. So you need a white pen for the sticky notepad. And when I say sticky, there's some sticky stuff on it. And yeah, it actually sticks pretty well. So sometimes with these, they don't stick well, but this looks to be a high quality sticky pad. And it looks like you get one type of sticky pad over here and it's like kind of cut. It looks like a little bunny rabbit. And then over here, I think this is a bear and it's kind of cut over here as well. So two pads, like one on top of the other inside of there. I don't know. I guess it doesn't stay. Oh, it has a little bit of a sticky thing. So there we go. All right, so let's look at the next item, which is, I don't know, but we're gonna open it. Oh, these are stencils. I believe these are stencils. So it's a little Archer and Olive stencil for you to make a square with a little circle-y thing there, okay? Which is good because I am not able to draw, so I do appreciate stencils. White gel pens. Okay, so now we have some white pens that we could write on our black sticky notepad. So let's try these out. I don't know, last time I opened the Archer and Olive pens, I wasn't able to use them only because they were a special, I can't remember what their pens are called, but you had to like, I guess use them for a while, like to break them in. I don't know what the problem was. I couldn't like make it happen. Oh, these work right away. I was like pushing it down to make sure it worked right away. So we have green, we have blue, we have, I'm gonna call this mint. So these are like, they feel like gel pens. Oh, it does say gel pens. I'm just not with it today. Okay. Ooh, I love pink. This is my favorite. And I'm just going to write the word favorite so you can see it. And then it looks like we have two white pens. And I think there are two white pens. Maybe one's silver. White number 2. All right. Fun. So we got black, because I was worried. I was like, oh, now I'm going to have to go out and buy pens. I don't. I do like these pens way better than the other ones. In fact, I feel kind of sad now because I think I recycled my black notepad because I was like, I'm never going to use this. But now I can with gel pens. I just couldn't use it with the other ones they had. All right. So what else do we have? We have stickers, a sticker pack. Oh, these are so cute. These are like little night animals, like forest animals. This may be the theme for December. So we have 2 stickers, smooth matte finish. So 2 of the exact same, little foxes, little bears. Are those reindeer? Yeah, so these are cute. And then we have some matching sticker packs. So we have some numbers over here with some gold foiling on them. Evaluate, to do, remember, it's a little hard to read these. And then we have some pages where you are empty, so you can write stuff down on here. So we have 2 of those. Okay, so those are the sticker pages. And then over here, we have a blackout book. So I think this is a book with black pages. How about that? Am I a genius or what at that, guessing that description? Let's see, can I get this? Okay, so this has 40 dot grid pages. I'm very excited because I love dot grid. I don't know why. I'm very opposed to lined pages. I didn't even know dot grids were a thing until recently, like in the last 5 years. I wish I could have had dot grid my entire life. So let's try to zoom in so you can see all this. So first of all, I just love the box. The box is just beautiful all by itself. And we have the blackout book. Let's take it out. Has a cute little belly band ribbon around it, but we're gonna have to take it off. Or maybe I can shimmy it down maybe so I don't ruin it. I don't know that I'm gonna save this though, but I notice when I ruin things like that or cut them, people like get very upset when they're watching it. They're like, don't do that. So this way you don't have to be upset. It still remains perfectly intact. And if you were here and you like this, I wish I would totally give it to you. Okay. So we have that cute little bunny. It's like a gold foil. It's the hard case. We have some gold gilding on the edge, which honestly, they do a really great job with gilding. They're pretty famous for putting gilding on, I believe all of their, I'm looking around right now. I don't have any near me, but all of their Archer and Olive books. This book belongs to, and we have some black pages as promised. So I don't know why I'm so surprised, but let's try the pen on these pages too. I'm sure it'll be exactly the same. You're probably like, Lisa, it's not going to be any different than it was before. But why not try? You know, I feel like I'm writing better because I have more space to write. Yeah, they're exactly the same. I don't know why. I thought maybe one would be white and one would be silver. Blue. And now for my favorite color, which is pink. All right, these are very cute. I wish I had more colors, like a purple and a yellow and an orange. So yeah, very excited. Cute book. All right, so that is one of the books. And we got one more. No, I think we got two more things. What is this? This is an envelope with a nice little Archer and Olive wax seal on it. Open this up. Look at that. We have monthlies, more blackout pages. So you can put this, oh, I see. You put it like this. You put this like that. So I do have glue. I do. And then you could put this into a notebook and glue these down and put something in there. So I definitely like these. Oh, we only get January through June. I don't know why. I wanted the whole year, but this makes sense. It's a winter seasonal box. So I guess you just get these and then maybe in the next box, you can get the rest of them. But this is like a cute envelope. All right. And this is the last item, which I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's called a journal bag. So the journal bag, oh, these are just styrofoam pieces. We'll take those out. So this is cute. So I can put my new favorite gel pens inside of here. And then I could put, I don't even know, something else inside of here. This kind of feels like a lunchbox. Like, not in a bad way. I'm like, I feel like this is waterproof. And then you could, oh, I see. You could just put anything in here. And it zips all the way. Oops, that looks like a ribbon. It zips all the way around, and then you can kind of just carry it, I guess, by this little handle right here. Oh, look, and then there's places to keep stuff. So it's like a, I'm going to call this like a planner briefcase kind of thing, even though they called it a journal bag. But yeah, I like it. It's very cute, and it has that little, the bears and the reindeer. I really wish I could draw. Like I say, I don't want to draw, but then when I see things like this, I'm like, oh, I wish I could draw. All right, so that was it. That was a wrap. Everything that we got inside the box. Was it worth it? Yeah, I think these were super cute. I was actually very surprised, and or I should say happily surprised by all of the cute items that were included here. Even the boxes. The boxes were pretty. Like, it's one of those things where you're like, I like the boxes more than I like the stuff inside. All right. Let me know what you thought. And we have another Archer and Olive unboxing as well. So stay tuned. I will post that tomorrow.